From mountain peaks to oceans wide, one flag still waves with strength and pride. Through every storm and every dawn, the dream of freedom marches on.
The voices of the brave still sing of hope that every heart can bring. 250 years we've stood, united strong for greater good. Every star shines bright tonight, every dream takes fearless flight. Hand in hand we proudly stand, together across this blessed land. I'm proud to be an American, where freedom lives in every hand. For 250 years we've shown this land will always be our home. Raise the flag into the sky, let the eagle proudly fly. Side by side we'll always stand. I'm proud to be an American. Every city, every town, freedom lifts us when we're down. From every voice and every face, hope forever finds its place. The future shines beyond the years, built on courage through our tears. One nation standing brave and free, together shaping history. Let the bells of freedom ring, hear the joyful voices sing. The red, the white, the blue will fly forever, reaching to the sky. Generation after generation, united by one inspiration. Liberty forever grows in every heart America knows. I'm proud to be an American, where every dream can still begin. For 250 years we've grown together, stronger than we've known. Raise your voices loud and high, watch your glory touch the sky. Freedom's light will always shine, this beautiful land is yours and mine.